How do I stop my Android phone from restarting itself? This issue usually occurs when the storage is full on your device. Check whether you have space on your storage or not. To do that, you need to go to the settings, and depending upon your phone, you need to locate where your storage is. On my device here, let's open about device, and on this about device section, I can see storage. Simply tap on storage. As you can see, out of 128 GB, 123 GB storage is full. So in order to clean up, you can tap on clean up button at the bottom of the screen. You can easily open different kinds of applications here and free up the space and deep clean up. Once you have freed up the space on your Android device, your issue might be fixed. But if it is not yet fixed, then you have to update your software. Sometimes the lack of updates might create this issue. So go to settings again, and on the settings at the top you can see the search bar, tap on it, and here you can search for uh, updates, and you need to find out your software update. So as you locate the software update, you need to tap on software update and see whether there is updates for your device or not. Since I have up-to-date version of my Android phone, so I don't need to update it. If you have updates, then you can see download and install button and easily tap on download and install and update your software. Doing all this step, if it's not even fixing your issue, then you have to erase your data. In order to erase, you have to go back to settings again, and you can tap on the search bar again, and you can search for reset. When you tap on when you type in reset here at the bottom, you can see erase all data. Tap on it, and now tap on erase all data. So this will factory reset your device. Once you have followed all this step, once you need to restart your Android phone, and you can easily fix your phone from restarting itself. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.